Hello, ma'am and sir. Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Arby Metabano from Philippines, 27 years old, single. I have two daughters and one son. My daughter age is 11 years old and 8 years old, and my one son is 1 year old. My education attainment is high school level. I have experience here in the Philippines as helper for 2 years, from June 2018 to July 2020. I serve 4 members of the family. My duties are taking care of kid, the household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, marketing, cooking, and ironing. And my second experience as helper also here in the Philippines from February 2021 to March 2023. I promise to finish my contract and I will do my best to my duties as a helper. And I will promise you that I will follow your rules and regulation. Thank you, ma'am and sir. God bless.